Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to repair a broken leg off of a small table or an ottoman or a footrest like I have here. So it broke off, and what I'm going to be doing is using double-headed skirting nails. And basically, as you can see here, it's sharp on both ends. And what we're going to do is we're going to hammer these into the end of this leg. So the first thing you need to do is get some pliers and remove any tacks or nails that's on your leg. And then we're going to put probably 3 or 4 nails, skirting nails. Now I got these off of Amazon, but you can get them on Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace. But this whole pack of skirting nails, and these nails are primarily used for baseboards or floorboards to put the floorboard around where your carpet is. But we're going to use this, of course, to put the legs on. I tried super glue. Unfortunately, that was not strong enough. So I thought something with a double-sided nail would work, but how would I end up doing that? Well, I'm just going to use skirting nails. So it comes with this little tool where it's got a hole on one end. And so what I want to do, after I remove all the tacks and nails, I'm going to go ahead, and you might have to get a drill bit on a drill if you don't have pre-made holes. I'm going to take my little tool here, as you can see that. Let's go one end like that. And then, of course, you're going to need a hammer. Alright, so now let's go ahead and nail this portion of the leg on to the ottoman here. In order for these nails to go through, you might not have to, depends on the strength of your leg, but on this particular one I'm going to go ahead and do 4 holes where the nail would go into. Alright, so I had to make a few pre-drilled nail holes in order to get this hammered in. And of course, as you saw there, I hammered at the end. And it's very tight, and it did the job. Alright, again, I'll put the link to where you can get these double-sided nails on Amazon. It's about, like I said, it's about $5 or $6 on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.